Hi, in this video we are going to see the mega recruitment. Huge vacancies we are going to see from the multiple colleges, guys. And here the state universities are there, and the permanent assistant professor vacancies are there. So here we are going to see the vacancies for the graduates, postgraduates with UGSNet or without UGSNet. Okay, so with PhD. So for all these different categories here, the vacancies or the opportunities are covered. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the private as well as the government jobs in the universities or else in the colleges. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. So here we are going to see the assistant professor, associate professor, lecturer as well as the non-teaching vacancies, and the project associate vacancies are also we are going to see here. Okay, so please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the notifications from the multiple colleges. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGSNet preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here the first one is College of Engineering and Technology from North Maharashtra Knowledge City, Jalgaon. So here the email ID as well as the contact numbers are also provided here. So email ID is nmkcj5396@gmail.com. So here the last date to apply for this one is 13th May 2021, and here the assistant professor as well as the lecturer vacancies are there. So if you are having the qualification post graduation degree ME or MTech in relevant discipline, then you may apply for the assistant professor category. Okay, and coming to the departments, civil, computer, electrical, mechanical engineering. And if you are having the graduate degree, that is BE or BTech in relevant discipline, then you may apply for the lecturer post. And here the vacancies are there from the department, same, civil, computer, electrical, mechanical engineering. So all the interested candidates, that means the eligible candidates, should submit their application along with all educational documents on or before 13th May 2021 through the email provided, and you may contact personally. So you may send your biodata as well as the relevant educational and experience all the documents, okay, to this provide mail ID. If you are having any queries, then here the contact number is there, so you may contact to that number. Fine. And coming to the next one is Sri Ramakrishna College of Arts and Science. So ACT and UGC approved, and the NAC A plus graded one, and affiliated to Bharatiya University. And here the applications are invited from candidates for the vacancies in the following disciplines. So wanted assistant professors for the disciplines management, commerce, computer, electronics, Tamil, English and the biotechnology. And coming to the HOD, social work, okay, and you have to apply within the 15 days, and qualifications as per the UGC norms, SET or NET or PhD. That means you must have the post graduation in these departments. Along with that one, you must have the SET or NET or PhD qualification. And in here the address is mentioned, so the contact numbers are also mentioned here, and the official website is also there. So you may send your biodata to your to the provided mail ID, or else you may contact this number, okay, to get the more clarifications regarding any hard copy has to be sent to the mentioned address or not. Fine. Anyhow, these are the vacancies for the assistant professor in this department from the Sri Ramakrishna College of Arts and Science, and it is the autonomous college. And coming to the next one is Sri Krishna Arts and Science College. So from this one also here the vacancies are announced. Okay, you may check down here. Applications are invited from dynamic qualified persons with excellent communication skills and determinations to perform in the following positions: associate professor as well as assistant professor. So for the assistant professor, PhD or NET or SET are desirable. That means they are not telling that it is mandatory or the essential qualification. So if these qualifications are there, then it will be the added advantage to you. So even though if you are having the post graduations to the departments, whatever they are mentioned here, then you may apply this. And coming to the departments, English, Tamil, French, Hindi, mathematics, statistics, commerce, computer science, electronics and communications, catering science, biotechnology, microbiology, costume design and fashion, psychology, social work and management sciences. And here the few non-teaching vacancies are also there: supporting staff, office superintendent, assistant librarian, junior assistant computer lab technician, web designer and the student counselor. and you have to apply with your biodata within 10 days by post or else through the mail ID. So it is better to send through the mail ID recruit2021@srikrishna.ac.in. Okay, so it is vacancies from this autonomous institution, guys. And coming to the next one, Department of Electronics Engineer from MIT campus, Anna University. So these are the here the project assistant and project technician post are there. So qualification BSc in physics or computer science. So 12,000 rupees per month, and project technician diploma in EC or CSC or IT 15,000 rupees per month, and the project associate 1 BE or BTech in EC or CSC or IT, or else BSc in horticulture or agriculture 30,000 rupees per month, and project associate 2 ME or MTech in applied electronics or VLSI and embedded systems or laser and electro optics, or else the MS in optics, so 40,000 rupees per month, and project scientist PhD is required and 50,000 rupees per month, and the duly filled application with the necessary certificate should be submitted to the following mentioned email address, okay, on or before 20th May 2021 by evening 5 o'clock, and the scanned copy of the application should also be mailed to the provided mail ID. That means you have to send the hard copy as well as a soft copy to this provided mail ID, and the shortlisted candidates will be called for the written test and interview. After scrutinizing the applications, the actual dates of the time of interview will be intimated to the shortlisted candidates by the email. Okay, and so these are the things, guys, and here the application is also mentioned here. So take down the printout of this one and fill up all these details and attach the necessary enclosures and send these things to the mentioned address, as well as scan the copy and then mail to the provided mail ID. Fine. And coming to the next one is Punjab Agriculture University. So it is a state university, guys, and from this one you may check down. Of course, huge number of vacancies are there here, and out of these vacancies, here the Dean Postgraduate Studies and College of Agriculture, and Head Department of Plant Breeding, Food Science and Technology, Soil Science, Plant Pathology, Entomology, and School Business Studies, and Maths, Statistics and Physics, Botany, and Extension Education and Communication, Family Resource Management, and Textile Science, Farm Machinery, Civil Engineering, Nanotechnology and Product Development, so Food Technologist, and Pulse Breeder, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Statistics, Physics, and Textile Science, as well as a Scientist and Assistant Professor in Farm Machinery, Animal Science and Entomology, and Agronomy, Farm Manager, as well as a Surveyor. So these are the different vacancies are there from this university, guys. And here the cost of application and how much fee to be attached with the application form, and I mean these things are mentioned here, and the pay scales are also mentioned here. So these are the permanent jobs, guys. And if you want to get, I mean the last date is 27th 5, okay, May 2021, that is the last date to receive. Okay, and here the to which bank details, I mean account you have to send, those bank details are also attached. And coming to the qualifications, okay, just click on this one, it will be directed to the qualifications. So here the lot of positions are there. Out of all these positions, I am just here showing the assistant professor qualification only. Okay, if you belongs to any other category, then you may check down those category also, guys. I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. So coming to the assistant professor, mostly they are asking the master's degree as well as the UGC NET or SLET qualification. So animal professor in assistant professor in animal science. Okay, so assistant professor in farm machinery. Fine, and so you may check down here assistant professor in the case of textile science. Okay, and coming to the physics, bachelor's degree in physics as well as master's degree, and the candidate must have qualified, the NET qualification must be there. Okay, and here the academic grade pay, including the pay scale, everything is mentioned here, so you may check down, guys. Fine. So total these are the different vacancies. One is North Maharashtra Knowledge City, that is College of Engineering and Technology, and second one is the Punjab Agriculture University. Next one is Ramakrishna College of Arts and Science, and next one is Sri Krishna Arts and Science College. Next one is from Anna University. So I mean all the dates, please check down the last dates. So whatever the post is applicable to you, so try to apply to this one, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them, and for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC-NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide